Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2015 Chevy Silverado 2500. The transmission fluid dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not every model includes this dipstick. The engine coolant reservoir is easily visible in the engine bay. This will allow you to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. There are easy-to-follow steps in the electronic menu for connecting your phone via Bluetooth. Other models make this process more complicated. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You'll have to use many different tools to work in many areas of the vehicle to gain access to the headlight bulb. These steps are difficult to complete. Changing the cabin air filter will require you to remove the glove box housing first. Other models will include an access panel in the rear of the glove box instead. You'll have to lower the tire from under the vehicle for access to it. The lowering mechanism can go rusted to the vehicle and be difficult to turn. Overall, the 2015 Chevy Silverado 2500 is a moderately difficult vehicle to maintain and is only recommended to those capable of vehicle maintenance.